A 12-year-old class 6 student named Mariam Debbarma gave up her life behind the hostel on a mango tree, woefully because her parents sent her to the hostel and she had to live separately. Incident took place at Baijalbari Don Bosco Girls Hostel under Khwai Police Station on Monday afternoon. All the schools across the state has reopened after the summer vacation. As such, a 12-year-old class 6 student named Mariam Debbarma was dropped at the Don Bosco Girls Hostel by her parents after the summer vacation was over. However, a 12-year-old student Mariam Debbarma from Mungyakami Namanjoy village does not wish to stay at the hostel, which is why Mariam Debbarma used to request her parents with tears to take her back at home every time they went to visit her daughter at the hostel. On Sunday, after her parents dropped her at the hostel, she again called her mother and told her to bring her back at home, otherwise she will give up her life. As a consequence, after she talked to her mother, she went out behind the hostel when there was nobody at the hostel and gave up her life on a mango tree. Later, the student of that hostel saw her corpse on a mango tree when they were returning from school. After that, the hostel warden sent the report to the Baijalbari Outpost Police immediately. Police arrived at the incident place instantly after they got the report. Likewise, her parents were also arrived at the location after they got the incident report.
Sami nama pun kai saya mak.
Aku sahaja ni number baik, kau kau motor mahal polisi, pasal kau kena gaduh. Engkau pas, ibu kau kena kai pun ni mis ni na. Nung sahaja ni number mana, sahaja pun mana kau kai. Nang, nung asyik balik kau tak haji. Nung makanya bukan tangga hanya bukan. Nang pun ni gaduh. Engkau sahaja ni number baik ni kau kai apa mau? Miso semani, miso. Engkau ni miso semani kau nak hiya tu bah. Nang saka, kau nak hiya. Engkau ni yang kau. 항송고 다리 꽂힌 따디 타는 민영수 하나 이 반영 돈 안에 살아 정말로 돈 아프고 그냥 살아 그러니까 아주 그 사보이너 안 아주 꼴딱하지 바르다 꼴딱하지 난 꼴딱 하이디 왜 아무 새이나 그냥 아무 새이나 탄가 숨다 angkona kisah mana pun dekat
Mia school mia datun kai. Tun puru rogo thana musing ero ungko ero apir.
Mia pun ya, bo mia pun ya. Aja kamu tu tuni dipanyakan no. Ang tong namu musing ya nang bekang namu sila lagi. Tunggu bo mia pun ya bin mana cumang ni tunggu antaran sarokta. Ika boro bekasa kan tong masuk dukan thana ni. Ika dukan thana ni mana dukan no telang dia. Taruh rupiah nak kabir ti mi semua kana nang saya kon kelanggai ang padar somni tumba habai padar naro padar be kok sawa kon se rodori ro paya kon ang kelanggai te phiro bui thang ngai ang apur ka kunu ya kasang nang ko mi ya bu phiro thang ta ga phungwa ti kwa ti ni sa horo ang bono kunu hibu hin ya kisu bu ya ang boro tam hina tangsa
Bokla sapore. Kelas 6 boya musim ke? 12 bosor. Toro kebo abo hairo buide khlaika ba phasiri botarka tamrok sanai na abo hairo.
Abo haila khaya kune na pha khaya mi song bai kok khaya kon si ko tong ko na ti rok kure.
Ke mane bo sasing rok te.
Abo bo sasing na ti ki thanga na wan su ko ro ko thanga na.
Noko kol khepur ke kun lomo sawo tong na musu. Wa du noko.
The police sent the corpse at the Khwai hospital for the post-mortem. However, the police are now investigating the case, says the SDPO of Khwai.
এটা একটা বাচ্চা মেয়ে দেখলাম এসে যে ওই একটা গাছের মধ্যে she was hanging. It's a small girl aged around 11 years old. She is a new admission taker in Don Bosco school. She used to study in the hostel. So now investigation will be done. Investigation এর পরে আপনাদেরকে জানানো হবে।
Because of the unfortunate incident, along with the parents of Mariam Debbarma, all the students from the hostel, warden and teachers were devastated and saddened. Her parents cried with regret, saying her daughter would have been alive if she stayed at home. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.